So, what are the causes of ozone layer depletion? The ozone layer depletion is a major concern and is associated with a number of factors. The primary cause of ozone layer depletion is the presence of certain chemical substances in the atmosphere that react with ozone, causing it to break down. The main causes of ozone layer depletion are as follows. Number 1, chlorofluorocarbons (CFCs) and other halogenated organic compounds. These compounds, which are commonly used as refrigerants, solvents, and aerosol propellants, release chlorine and bromine atoms when they reach the stratosphere. These atoms then react with ozone, breaking it down into oxygen O2 and preventing it from absorbing UV radiation. Number 2, nitrogen oxides (NOx). NOx compounds are primarily released by human activities such as combustion of fossil fuels and biomass burning. In the presence of sunlight, NOx can react with ozone, breaking it down into oxygen and NO2, which can then react with other compounds to form even more reactive species that can also break down ozone. Number 3, volatile organic compounds (VOCs). These compounds are emitted by natural sources such as plants, as well as by human activities such as industrial processes and transportation. In the presence of sunlight, VOCs can react with NOx to form ozone-destroying substances. Number 4, solar flares and cosmic rays. These high-energy events can cause temporary ozone depletion by breaking down ozone molecules. Number 5, natural causes. The ozone layer has been found to be depleted by certain natural processes such as sunspots and stratospheric winds, but it does not cause more than 1 to 2% of ozone layer depletion. We have already discussed the consequences of ozone layer depletion in the previous video. Click on the I button to watch. Now that we have known the causes and consequences of ozone layer depletion, let's move on to the solutions to ozone layer depletion. In this video, number 1, avoid using pesticides. Natural methods should be implemented to get rid of pests and weeds instead of using chemicals. One can use eco-friendly chemicals to remove the pest or remove the weeds manually. Number 2, minimize the use of vehicles. The vehicles emit a large amount of greenhouse gases that lead to global warming as well as ozone depletion. Therefore, the use of vehicles should be minimized as much as possible. Number 3, use of eco-friendly cleaning products. Most of the cleaning products have chlorine and bromine releasing chemicals that find a way into the atmosphere and affect the ozone layer. These should be substituted with natural products to protect the environment. Number 4, the use of nitrous oxide should be prohibited. The government should take actions and prohibit the use of harmful nitrous oxides that is adversely affecting the ozone layer. People should be made aware of the harmful effects of nitrous oxides and the products emitting the harmful gases so that its use is minimized at the individual level as well. And there are many solutions to prevent ozone layer depletion, which you can read it in our blog. To know what is acid rain and its causes and consequences, if you found this video helpful, subscribe.